Hello, electric train.
I'm going first. Bye!
Wow, she's so fast. Hi, I'm going first. Bye.
I'll catch up with you, high-speed train. Oh no!
Watch out! Ouch! That hurts! My eyes! Oh, and my wheels are not working well.
I'm sorry. I just wanted to run faster than you. So...
It's okay. Let's go to the train repair station. Yes.
And ask Kiki and Mew Mew to help us?
Yes.
Chugga chugga, choo choo, chugga chugga, choo choo. Let's repair a train! Choo choo choo! Chugga chugga, choo choo, chugga chugga, choo choo. Let's repair a train! Choo choo choo! A train is coming in, blinking, blinking. Everything looks all blurry.
Little mechanics, help me, help me, help me now.
Putting on a brand new light. Train, train tries, blinking his eyes. Shining, shining, it's so clear. A train is coming in, wobbling, wobbling. She can't stand straight up, up, up. Little mechanics, help me, help me, help me now. Putting on a brand new boat. Train, train tries, moving her body. I can stand straight, I'm okay. Don't go too fast next time. Alright, safety first. A train is coming in, rolling his wheels.
Spinning, spinning, but I can't run. Little mechanics, help me, help me, help me now.
Putting on a brand new wheel. Train, train tries, rolling his wheels. Let's go, he feels great. Yeah!
Thank you, Kiki and Mew Mew.
You're welcome. Please don't run too fast. Okay.